Keromo gusigo ikatoichamo ili tunyara kurwana abantu betu. It's just as simple as that. Naende tuanze safari hiyo na ninde very sure no mwele na botogoika ili tu ya 2002 Keromo gusia tenetamo akarwana Keromo gusi totige ebintebi abantu bansi otuchaya tokoreka na tuko at direction iliyonsi. Nilikuwa nasema kibasari tuje tuanze kuanza next week on Monday. On Monday tutaanza kupatiana and we will give to form 3s, form 2s and form 4s kila mwana tuko at form 1s. Tuma korwa 3 years and I think 3 years and 4 years na bado tuko. So we are going to open up our offices Chelsea Elinde to give about 14 days to make sure that we are connecting those forms in the issue of Basari. Mwangu msiko kwa na mahali university ndipo atinjelewa na pale ina kwenye rakora naende na igote balwachi etekia ikonge. That was yesterday but one, but I want to assure you unagentonkeyo kratenie a university of established as a county to Nyamira. Etinechi ndoto mwaka na garama bwate moske wenge deputy yae na niswane wenge na yuskobekwa, and we are going to make sure asengecho iminabia ngo nywete ya nosigo na I think very sure symbiosis, lakini we will make sure that the pledge which was made by His Excellency the President, you want to say university of 500 million into Chinyawara to Tarachi Okoro Mwako this financial year. Elinde before the end of the year to Naruto University and us as a which Kubekwa, lakini mono as a school yetu ya Kiawanyo. So